Texas Adventures with Rex.
Alright, here we are, Texas Chainsaw Massacre House. I had to come just to say I got here. Me and Susie heading back to Dallas, but I wanted to see there's the door she went in to get away. Here's the outside. Used to have a bucket there. There's the famous. Sign. This is where the gas pumps were. Pretty cool. Oh, you're okay. Things I do. Here's the back of the house. There's the famous where she runs out of there. She comes to the gas station there, down to that second door. There's the famous van. It's not the real one, because the real one had sliding doors. It's a replica. Yeah, she has some bed breakfasts here. Just thought I'd tell you. We're gonna go inside now. They probably won't let me film.
A Hey Mama presentation. Hey Mama! First class? Yeah, right.
Hi. Hi. I'm good.